Welcome to St. John's Higher Secondary School, Chabra.
Dear ladies and gentlemen, as we embark on a wondrous journey through our school's annual report, it is time to come together to celebrate our achievements, learn from our experiences, and look forward to a brighter future.
As the principal of this institution, I am proud to say that our school offers a transformative educational experiences to our students, in which academic excellence has always been the hallmark of this campus. We are committed to nurture the young generation, equipped with moral values, true knowledge, and life skills which are necessary to thrive in an ever-changing world.
Since its foundation in 2002 by His Excellency, the late Bishop George Anathil, the school has been an inspiration in the field of education. Now, in 2024, strengthened by the Almighty God and guided by the timely wisdom of His Excellency Bishop Thomas Matthew as the chairman of the school, Reverend Father Sony Anthony as the manager, and Reverend Sister Vinita OLG as the principal, along with our 36 dedicated teachers and 26 non-teaching staff, we remain steadfast in our commitment to excellence and innovation. It is a moment of pride to share with you all the achievements, milestones, and memories of the past year, and to highlight the progress we have made toward our goals. Please join us as we journey through the highlights of the year and celebrate the successes of our school. The new academic year 2024-25 commenced with a warm welcome to the newest members of our school family. The year began by bidding a fond farewell to our former manager, Reverend Father Patrick Joseph, and extending a heartfelt welcome to our new manager, Reverend Father Sony Anthony, who brings valuable expertise and a passion for excellence. Both leaders have provided fresh perspectives and a strong commitment to guiding our school toward greater heights. To start the year on a positive note, new staff and students were also warmly welcomed, filling the school with renewed energy and enthusiasm. In our commitment to creating the leaders of tomorrow, individuals strong in every aspect of life and equipped to overcome challenges with ease, we are proud to share some of the significant achievements in the academic sphere, particularly in the board examinations of 2023-24. In the academic year 2024-25, the school organized regular unit tests, term examinations, and parents-teachers meetings to monitor students' knowledge levels and identify areas for improvement. These initiatives ensure a continuous assessment of academic progress and facilitated effective communication between parents and teachers. As the new academic year 2024-25 began, the school conducted orientation training programs for our teachers, emphasizing the importance of ongoing professional development. These programs introduced innovative teaching methods, focusing on student-centered approaches that make learning both effective and enjoyable.
We are blessed to have a team of approximately 45 well-trained educators who serve as a teamwork and always strive for betterment of students.
On July 12th, the annual meeting of the School Managing Committee was held in the presence of the Chairman, Right Reverend Bishop Thomas Matthew, and other committee members. During the meeting, the committee evaluated the school's performance and progress while also strategizing for further growth and improvement.
हमारे विद्यालय का मुख्य उद्देश्य है विद्यार्थियों को नैतिक एवं व्यक्तिगत शिक्षा का ज्ञान देना। हम सभी बहुत ही गर्व से ये कह सकते हैं कि हमारे विद्यार्थियों को हम एक समृद्ध एवं सफल भविष्य के लिए तैयार कर रहे हैं। साथ ही हमें इस बात की भी खुशी है कि हम सेंट जॉन शाला परिवार के सदस्य हैं। हम गर्व से कह सकते हैं कि हम शाला परिवार के शिक्षकगण हैं।
The academic session 2024-25 was marked by a variety of vibrant cultural programs and competitions reflecting our commitment to holistic education. These events celebrated various facets of learning, creativity, and tradition, fostering both academic and cultural growth among students. On July 6th, a tree plantation drive was organized with participation from the school management, our special guest Mr. Nathu Singh Sendhav, Sarpanch of Gram Panchayat Chapra, students and teachers. This activity promoted environmental awareness and symbolized growth, responsibility, and a commitment to preserving nature. The investiture ceremony was held on July 12, marking the formal induction of our student leaders, including the head boy, head girl, house captains, and club in charges. Our esteemed chief guest, Miss Srishti Bhargav, SDOP Bargi, addressed the students on leadership skills, discipline, cyber security, and cyber crimes. This year, the school also introduced various students' clubs to enhance activity-based learning and build leadership skills. The Independence Day celebration began with a proud flag hoisting ceremony followed by cultural performances. The chief guest, retired headmaster Mr. Bakshiram Chaudhary, delivered a motivating speech on patriotism and dedication to the nation. An award ceremony was also held to recognize meritorious students who excelled in the board examination of the academic year 2024, inspiring others to aim the high. The school celebrated Guru Purnima, a festival dedicated to honoring and expressing gratitude to our gurus, fostering respect and admiration for teachers and mentors.
मैं संध्या शिवरे, मेरे दोनों बच्चे कोरोना काल की विषम परिस्थिति से इसी विद्यालय में अध्ययनरत हैं। हर बच्चे को
अपने भविष्य के निर्माण के लिए एक अच्छे विद्यालय की आवश्यकता होती है। और हर पेरेंट्स चाहता है कि उसके बच्चे को संपूर्ण शिक्षा एक ही स्थान पर प्राप्त हो, और देवास जिले का सेंट जॉर्ज हायर सेकेंडरी स्कूल चापड़ा इसी तरह का विद्यालय है, जहाँ पर बच्चों को पूरी तरह से हर फील्ड की शिक्षा यहाँ पर दी जा रही है।
Teachers' Day was celebrated with enthusiasm, organized by the school management and students. Students expressed their gratitude through heartfelt performances and gestures. To honor the teachers, the school arranged a picnic to Bhopal, where they experienced a delightful and informative city tour. The Janmashtami celebration highlighted the cultural significance of the festival. Students participated in various activities that combined learning with festivity. To enhance academic knowledge and encourage curiosity and to explore the solar system and galaxies, a planetarium show was organized, allowing students to explore the wonders of the universe.
It was a wonderful experience watching this.
It feels like we are on moon, and it's very good and very nice experience, very realistic and very.
The school celebrated Navaratri and Durga Puja with Garba dance performance, promoting cultural exchange and heritage. Diwali celebrations were filled with joy and enthusiasm, featuring dances and a skit that highlighted the festival's message of good triumphing over evil. Children's Day was celebrated with love and enthusiasm. Teachers entertained students with various cultural programs, bringing smiles to everyone's faces. In addition to that, a delicious food fair was organized, which fostered a spirit of joy and appreciation, making students feel valued, cherished, and joyful.
As we look back to another memorable year, we are reminded of the unwavering dedication and vision of the school management. Their tireless efforts, ideas, and commitment to excellence had made our school a beacon of learning and developing our life skills.
Greetings to all. I, Himanshi Jaiswal, head boy of St. John's Higher Secondary School Chapra, express my words of appreciation for the management for their quality education, modern teaching techniques, and development of moral values and skills.
This year, the school introduced new sets of computers and interactive panels in various classrooms, creating dynamic and personalized learning experiences for both teachers and students. The school library was enriched with over 250 new books, increasing the collection to over 5,000 books, providing students and teachers with a treasure trove of knowledge. This year, for the first time, we have implemented NCC in our school. Through this initiative, we are empowering our students with essential life skills, values, and experiences, while also enhancing their personality development, physical fitness, leadership skills, and teamwork. Regular training sessions are provided to help students develop into responsible citizens.
जैसे थे
Incorporating karate classes into the school curriculum was a significant step taken by the management to enhance the students' physical fitness and coordination. Karate classes were introduced to improve physical fitness, coordination, and self-defense skills, fostering self-confidence among students.
नमस्कार, मैं कुंवर अजीत सिंह राजावत, पीटीए प्रेसिडेंट आप सेंट जॉन हायर सेकेंडरी स्कूल चापड़ा। बड़ी खुशी की बात है कि आज एनुअल डे पर मुझे यहाँ स्कूल प्रबंधन ने बोलने का मौका दिया और स्कूल प्रबंधन के बारे में मैं आपको दो बातें कहना चाहूँगा कि यहाँ हमारे क्षेत्र में सेंट जॉन स्कूल ने अपनी एक अलग सौगात प्रस्तुत की है और कुछ ही वर्षों में सेंट जॉन स्कूल ने अपना बहुत अच्छा नाम किया हमारे क्षेत्र में और हमारे बच्चों के भविष्य के लिए सेंट जॉन स्कूल बहुत अच्छा ऑप्शन दिया हमारे क्षेत्र के लिए। तो मैं पुनः सेंट जॉन स्कूल को बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद अपनी ओर से और नगर की सभी सामाजिक धार्मिक संस्थाओं की ओर से देना चाहता हूँ। धन्यवाद। जय हिंद, जय भारत।
The literary club organized competitions such as debates, essay writing, speech contest, quizzes, memory test, and handwriting competitions. The cultural club hosted solo dance competitions, fancy dress contests, musical presentations, and other performances during school events. Students participated in drawing and painting competitions, rakhi making, pot decoration, diya decoration, greeting card making, rangoli design, and much more. Activities included a tree plantation drive, waste paper recycling, milk purity testing, water purification demonstrations, and PowerPoint competitions on famous scientists. The members of the sports club have demonstrated unwavering dedication, passion, and sportsmanship, bringing immense pride to our school. Master Augustine Savio Saul and Samarth Yadav were selected to participate in a district level football match held in Devas. Additionally, a chess competition took place at the district level where our student Master Prithviraj Chawda was selected to compete in the Madhya Pradesh State FIDE Rated Chess Association competition. On the occasion of National Sports Day, an inter-school football match was organized at our school. We also hosted inter-school Kho-Kho competitions and a cricket match with various schools participating. Our students secured the runner-up position in these events. Moreover, our students participated in and won prizes at competitions held in Bagli and Devas. The Tech Club trained students in typing, video editing, Canva design, and basic programming, as well as seminars on various technological themes, equipping them with essential technological skills.
Greetings from St. John's. I am Father Sony Anthony. the manager of St. John's School, which is located in the serene village of Chapada and nestled in the district of Devas. As W.V. Yeats profoundly said, education is not just filling the vessel, rather lighting the fire. At St. John's, we are committed to sparking that fire of curiosity, passion, purpose in every child. Our vision goes beyond academics. Education coupled with various activities is most powerful weapon to transform the thoughts and reshape the lives. As Aristotle told, educating the mind without educating the heart is no education at all. Thank you for being part of our journey of nurturing individuals who will grow to reshape their family, their village, and ultimately our nation.
The computer lab offers students a platform to enhance their technological skills through activities like coding, graphic design, and digital presentations. Equipped with modern computers and high-speed internet, it serves as a hub for innovation and learning. Hands-on learning. All labs provide a practical environment where students can apply theoretical concepts, encouraging active engagement and deepening understanding through real-life experiments. Skill development. The labs help students develop essential skills like observation, critical thinking, problem solving, and teamwork, which are valuable across various academic and professional fields. Focus on safety and discipline. All labs emphasize safety procedures, ensuring students follow guidelines to work responsibly with proper use of equipment and materials, fostering a disciplined learning atmosphere.
Kindly join us in shaping the hearts and minds of the future generation. Together, let us unlock the hidden potentialities of our students, empowering them to become the responsible citizens of our nation.
St. John's School, Chapada firmly believes that success is no accident, it is hard work, perseverance, learning, and above all, love for what we do. By living out the school motto, "Let your light shine," we continue to empower our students to become responsible citizens and creative leaders who excel academically, socially, and emotionally. As we conclude this year's report, we extend our heartfelt gratitude to His Excellency Bishop Thomas Matthew, the Managing Committee, parents, teachers, students, and well-wishers, the true cornerstone of our success. Thank you, and may we continue to shine brighter together.